Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while. So today, super excited because I got a grow light. Now I was looking into grow lights and they are expensive. The ones that I wanted were like $600 and I was like, man, that's too much for right now. And then I was looking into, well, what if I just make my own? And even those are getting up into around the $300-$400 range. So I stumbled across this one off of Amazon. It was a Black Friday deal. I think I ended up paying around $100. I'm like, score. Perfect price. We'll see. Sometimes you get what you pay. So I'm going to set it up right now and I'll tell you what I think about it. What's it? Whoa! Woo, that's bright! Okay, it works, obviously. Very not sturdy, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it more stable. And the lights are just attached with zip ties, which according to the instructions, there's supposed to be a chain, but it did not come with any chains, so zip ties it is. You can adjust the different levels, which I like. Also came with these, but I don't know what they're for. The shelving came with good directions. It was very easy to follow the shelving instructions. The lights came with hardly any instructions, so I kind of had to figure that out. But overall, they will be usable. So, not like the $600 ones that I wanted, but it'll work. My plants will grow. They will be happy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.